You know what's dangerous about workplace bullying? It doesn't always look like bullying. Sometimes it looks like leadership. It looks like I'm just being direct. You need to toughen up. This is a high performance environment. And slowly, the person on the receiving end starts changing. They become quieter, more anxious, nervous, more withdrawn. They stop speaking up, not because they don't care, but because they've learned it's not safe to do so. I've seen it and I've lived it. That's what makes it so dangerous. Because by the time people recognize what's happening, the damage is already done. And the organization, they still call it assertive leadership. This is why I do what I do today. Because until organizations learn to recognize the difference, they will keep protecting the very behavior that is destroying their people.